This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's Pantry Single Door Cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. To begin, place one of the doors face down on your workstation, hinge holes closest to you, and attach one adhesive doorstop to each far outside corner of the door. Align the hinges with the hinge holes and secure with a drill and prepackaged screws, then set aside. Repeat the same process with the cabinet's other door, then also set aside. With one of the sides flat on your workstation, pre-drilled holes face up and the notched corner away from you to the upper left, place the shelf pegs into the holes and gently secure with a hammer. Next, position the backing and top perpendicular to the side so the top's slotted side faces into the cabinet and is closest to you, and the backing sits flush into the top slot. Secure where the two pieces meet, first with the nail gun, then with the drill and drywall screws. Place the bottom at the side's free end, with the pre-placed pegs in the pre-drilled holes and the slotted side fit to the backing, then secure where these pieces meet with the nail gun. Attach the static internal shelf to the side with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Tap into place with a rubber mallet and ensure it is aligned straight with the backing. Then, return to the top and the backing and secure these two pieces together with a drill and drywall screws. Now, take the other side and place it on top of the constructed unit, the notched corner away from you and to the upper left as before. Press the pre-placed wooden pegs into the pre-drilled holes, then tap the side flush with the backing with a rubber mallet. Secure where the side meets each piece of the constructed unit with a nail gun, then turn the assembled unit so the opposite side lies flat on your workstation and repeat this process. Insert the shelf pegs into the available holes on the side that lay flat on your workstation and tap into place with a hammer. Next, retrieve the doors and position in front of the constructed unit to align with the side so a distance of a credit card's width exists between it and the doors, as well as between both door panels. Ensure the bottom door also aligns with the static internal shelf so its top meets the bottom half of the shelf's middle and the top door meets with the upper half. Set the free end of the hinges flush with the side, then secure all hinges with a drill and prepackaged screws. Lastly, test that the doors close smoothly on their hinges and flush to the cabinet. Finally, turn the whole unit to stand upright and angle the adjustable internal shelves into the cabinet to rest on the shelf pegs. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry Single Door Pantry Cabinet is ready to install.